everyone, welcome to the Brain Bite English channel. We're glad to have you here. Let's begin and learn something new today.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Brain Bite English channel podcast.
Hi guys, we're really happy you're here today.
If you're listening to this while walking, relaxing, or studying, welcome.
And if English speaking makes you nervous,
If you freeze when someone says, "Tell me about yourself,"
then take a deep breath. You're in the right place.
today we're not teaching grammar.
We're not testing you
We're having a real conversation.
about something very important. How to talk about yourself in English.
This topic is simple, but many learners fear it.
Because they think English needs to be perfect.
But English only needs to be understandable.
And confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Let's be honest,
Why does tell me about yourself feel scary?
because we don't know how much to say,
We don't know where to start.
and we fear making mistakes.
But here's good news.
This question always follows a pattern:
Name,
place.
work, or study.
That's it.
You don't need stories.
You don't need advanced vocabulary.
Just simple sentences.
Let's start slowly. Imagine we just met. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, my name is Ollie.
Perfect.
Stop that there.
Yes, really. Stop there.
Many learners think that's not enough.
But it is enough.
You can also say, Hi, I'm Ali.
Or, my name is Sarah.
Say it slowly.
Say it clearly.
Confidence starts here.
Now we add one more line. Where are you from?
I'm from Lahore, Pakistan.
Clear, simple.
You can also say, I live in Lahore.
I was born in Karachi.
You don't need all three.
Choose Van.
Remember, English is not a competition.
It's communication. Now comes the most common question. What do you do?
And many learners panic here.
But relax.
Answer depends on your life.
If you're a student,
I'm a student.
if you work,
I work as a teacher.
if you're between jobs,
I'm currently looking for work.
all answers are okay.
Your job doesn't define your value.
Speak honestly. Sometimes, short answers feel too short.
So you can add one small detail.
For example,
I'm a student and I study computer science.
Van sent 2 ideas.
That's enough.
You don't need long explanations. Family questions come often. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one sister.
Nice.
You can add, I live with my parents.
Or, I live alone.
Share only what feels comfortable.
This is where your personality shines.
Yes, hobbies make conversations friendly.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Good.
You can also say, I enjoy cooking.
I love walking in the evening.
Even watching videos is okay.
Simple hobbies sound natural. Now let's talk about likes. What do you like?
I like calm places.
Dislikes?
I don't like loud noise.
Very natural.
You can soften your dislikes.
I'm not a big fan of.
This sounds polite and fluent.
Here's an important tip.
Short answers are powerful.
Long answers are optional.
Choose based on situation.
Casual talk, short.
Interview longer.
Let's fix mistakes.
Mistake 1. Memorizing paragraphs.
Mistake 2. Speaking too fast.
Mistake 3. Fearing mistakes.
Mistakes mean progress.
Now pause this podcast.
Speak about yourself in 3 sentences.
Name,
Place.
What you do,
Write it in the comments.
we'll help you.
You are learning.
You are improving.
See you in the next episode.
Thank you for watching. That's all for today's lesson. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Let's keep learning together.